Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today we are going to see pair of linear equation in two variables. In that we are going to see exercise 3.6 reducible method. See the first given question, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. We are going to solve the pair of equation by reducing them into a pair of linear equation. See the first one, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, comma 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So here the variable is in the denominator. I am going to take 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. When I take like that, see 1 by x as a means a by 2 plus 1 by y is b. So have b by 3 is equal to 2. When I take LCM for 2 and 3, I will be getting 6. So in the numerators, 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. In the next step, I'll be getting 3a plus 2b is equal to 2 into 6, 12. This is my first equation. Coming to the next one, 1 by 3x. Yes, so 1 by x, I'll write a, the denominator is 3, plus 1 by y, I'll write b, and in the denominator have 2 is equal to 13 by 6. While I am taking LCM for 3 and 2, I will get 6. And in the numerator, I will get 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6. I am going to cancel 6 and 6. So I will be getting 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is my second equation. Now, I can solve these two equations by any other method, either in substitution or in elimination. I am going to use elimination method. See, I am going to remove the variable a. So I am going to multiply the first equation with 2. So I'll be getting 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. And in the second equation, I'm going to multiply by 3 to remove the variable a. So I'll be getting 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. I am going to subtract. When I subtract only I can remove the variable a. So plus 6a becomes minus 6a when I subtract. Plus 9b becomes minus 9b. Plus 39 becomes minus 39. So plus 6a minus 6a get cancelled. And plus 4b minus 9b I will be getting minus 5b is equal to minus 15. So b is equal to minus 15 by minus 5, minus minus cancel, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. So, I will get b is equal to 3. I am going to take this as third equation, substitute 3 in either 1 or 2. Any equation we can substitute. Suppose if I substitute in 1, what is the first equation? 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So 3a plus 2 into, instead of b I can write 3 is equal to 12. 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. 3a is equal to 12 minus 6. 3a is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 by 3, So I'll get A is equal to 2. Actually, we have to find the values of x and y. So I have found here A and B. What I have taken actually 1 by x only is equal to A. So 1 by x is equal to, what is the value of A? 2. So I'll get 1 by 2 is equal to x. So the x value is 1 by 2. And I have taken 1 by y as b, right? So 1 by y is equal to, what is the value of b I have found? 3. So I'll get y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. Do you understand? Shall we go to the next sum? See the next sum. We have 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. I am going to take 1 by root x as A, 1 by root y as B. When I take, what I'll get? 2 by 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. This is my first equation, and in that 4 by root x, that is 1 by root x, becomes a. So 4a minus 9 by root y is 9b is equal to minus 1. This is my second equation. I am going to use elimination method to remove the variable b. Okay, so by elimination method, first equation I am going to multiply by 3 to remove the variable b. 3 2s are 6a plus 9b is equal to 2. 2 3s are 6. And second equation I am writing as it is. Have 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. When I add these two equations, plus a plus 9b and minus 9b get cancelled. So when I add this 6a plus 4a, I'll get 10a is equal to 5. So I'll get a is equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so I got a is equal to 1 by 2. I'm going to take this as third equation, and I'm going to substitute this in any one of the equation. So substitute 3 in 1. I'm going to substitute in 1. So 2 into a plus 3b is equal to 2. That is my first equation. So 2 into a, what I have found here? 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So I have 3b is equal to 2. Have 2 to get cancelled. So I have 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. That is 3b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 3. So I have A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 1 by 3. Actually, what I have taken as 1 by root x is equal to A. Instead of A, what we have found in this place? 1 by 2. So, when I do cross multiplication like this, I'll get 2 is equal to root x. So when I squaring on both the sides, I'll be getting 4 is equal to x. So x is equal to 4. Shall we find the value of b now? Yes. Have taken 1 by root y is equal to b. 1 by root y. What is the value of b? 1 by 3. Now I am just cross multiplying. So I'll get 3 is equal to root y. Same, I am going to apply squaring on both sides. So I'll get 9 is equal to y. So the value of y is 9. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 4, x equal to 4, y is equal to 9. Shall we go to the next sum? Here what is given? 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Here we have x in the denominator. So I am going to take 1 by x as a. So I will be getting first equation as 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. That is my first equation. Then second thing, I am going to take 3 by x, that is 1 by x as a. So 3 is in the numerator. So I will be getting 3a minus 4y is equal to 23. This is my second equation. Now I am going to use elimination method to remove the variable a. By elimination method, I am going to multiply the first one by 3. When I multiply by 3, I will be getting 12a plus 9y is equal to 42. In second equation, when I multiply by 4, I will get 12a minus 16y is equal to 92. Now I am going to subtract, then only I can cancel. So plus 12a becomes minus 12a, minus 16y becomes plus 16y, plus 92 becomes minus 92. So plus 12a minus 12a get cancelled, and 9y plus 16y becomes 25y is equal to 42 minus 92. I will be getting minus 50. So y is equal to minus 50 by 25. 25 ones are 25 twos are. So minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. See the next see the next variable. How will you find this next variable? By taking this equation as 3. I am going to substitute 3 in any one of the variable, right? Sorry, any one of the equation. I am going to substitute in first equation. 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. That is my first equation. 4a plus 3 into y is minus 2 is equal to 14. So I will have 4a minus 6 is equal to 14. 4a is equal to 14 plus 6. So 4a is equal to 20. So I will have A is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5. What I have taken A as 1 by x. So A is equal to 5 means I have taken 1 by x as A. So 1 by x is equal to 5. So I'll get the value of x is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 1 by 5, y is equal to minus 2. Shall we move on to the next question? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. I am going to take 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So I'll get the first equation as 5a plus b is equal to 2. This is my first equation. And the second equation as 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is my second equation. I am going to solve this by elimination method. So I am going to multiply the first equation by 3 to remove the variable b. So 5 3s are 15a plus 3b, 3 2s are 6. And second equation 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. When I add plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. So 15a plus 6a I'll get 21a is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 by 21, that is 7 ones are 7 3s are. So a is equal to 1 by 3. I am going to take this as third equation. I am going to substitute this any one of the equation. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3, that is third equation in any one of the equation. I am going to take the first equation. What is the first equation I have? 5a plus b is equal to 2. Okay. 5. What is instead of a? What I have found? 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. 5 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. So when I take LCM, I'll get 6 minus 5 by 3, that is 1 by 3. I'm getting the value of b as 1 by 3. Okay, so what I have taken a as 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a. So what is the value of a? What I got as a 1 by 3. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. When I cross multiply, 3 is equal to x minus 1. This minus 1 becomes plus 1 when it comes this side. So x is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. And then what I have taken as being 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. 1 by y minus 2. What is the value of b we have found? 1 by 3. When I take cross multiply like this, 3 is equal to y minus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to y. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Thank you, children.